Well, hey, Stampin' Friends. It is Thursday, March 21st, and I still don't have my pumpkin. So I thought I would just do a quick update so that not only you can know that I haven't forgotten about the video, but also to kind of update. So with Paper Pumpkin, it is a kit. It is something that can give someone who's a beginner or someone who just wants to have a quick update of crafts. It comes with everything. And I say everything meaning the stamp, the ink, the envelope, the pre-cut embellishments, and of course alternate ideas that I try to send out, but I don't have any alternates today. So the error was corrected. I'm glad that I was affected because it allows for me an opportunity to say, here's how things happen. We had to move on, and I made other cards with other pumpkins, the kits I have to finish. So I wanted to make sure to update you on that. If you are not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber and you would like to know more about it, send me a comment down below the video, or send me an email. And the email is darlenestamps@yahoo.com. And also, we are still in celebration, which means that if you put in a $50 order, you get a free stamp. So how awesome is that? So you get free stuff. I like free stuff. So stock up on your papers, on your inks, any punches that make life really quick, really fast. For your card making purpose or for scrapbooking. So don't ever forget about the scrapbooking. That is a good benefit on that. So it ends March 31st. If you are interested in getting the retired list and also the carryover, every time we get an occasions or a catalog, whether it be our occasions, which is the winter and then the spring, or the annual, they will set forth a retirement list. And it's things that they're not going to carry anymore, or they'll be carrying it over and will continue to still offer it or supply it. So that list, just send a comment that you'd like to get one of those. And then last, stay tuned for the alternates. So when I get my pumpkin, I'm hoping today, but when I get it, I will be uploading some beautiful creations to help inspire you, to help expand your kit, and maybe interest you in considering this being a good hobby. It's therapeutic. It is wonderful. It's like all the fun without all the work. So they're great kits. So anyhow, thank you for your support of this channel, and I look forward to the next time that we're getting together. Have a great day. God bless.